Let's quickly go over how you can share your Instagram story to WhatsApp status using both your iPhone or Android. For that, first you have to open up your Instagram, go to your story that's already been posted, and now if your WhatsApp is connected to Instagram through Meta, you will see a joined small WhatsApp Facebook icon below your story. Choose WhatsApp from the option, now hit open and click on share, and that's it. Your Instagram story is now on your WhatsApp status. But there have another way. If you don't see the Facebook WhatsApp icon here, press the paper plane icon at the bottom and from the sharing option, select My Status when WhatsApp opens. Now hit next and press send from here. Now boom, your story is now live on WhatsApp as link. Isn't it really cool? I hope this guide helpful. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.